Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. I hope you are good wherever you are watching this tutorial from. Please guys, don't forget to always take good care of yourself, very important. So guys, today we are making this beautiful off-shoulder fitted dress. As you can see on my body, very beautiful. We are using crepe material to make this off-shoulder fitted dress. Like I said, we are using crepe material to make this beautiful style. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends, with your family members. Please ask them to also subscribe so that this channel can also grow. And please don't forget to share this video, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and also learn from it. We also have other tutorials on my channel that you can also check and also learn these styles that we have made on my YouTube channel already. Like I said, if you're interested to know how we are able to make this beautiful off-shoulder fitted dress, you can watch this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to understand it better. Please, another way for you to also support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end. So guys, keep on watching so that you can learn how to cut this tie on your own. You can see how beautiful it is on my body, and I want you to also make yours. So after watching it, you'll be able to cut yours and also make yours and also rock yours the way I'm wearing mine. Please don't forget to use a beautiful color to make yours when making your own, so that the style can come out very well. It's very beautiful. So please watch this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to cut it on your own. So keep on watching if you're interested to know how we're able to make it.
So we start with our measurement. So this is the fabric that we are using. It's crepe material and it's fitted dress that we are making with up shoulder. So I'm just laying it down so that we start with our measurement now. So please always watch my video to the end. So we want to start with our chalk, tape rule and ruler. So that is what we use to start it. So now is the length, like the measurement. I'm taking away from my tape rule to get my half length. My half length is 16 there. So what I've taken out from my tape rule is 5. So remember, it's 5. So that my half length line, and my half length line is where I will get my waist measurement. So from there, that is taken away to get my hip line. From my hip line now, what I have there is 24. So that is 24 that I'm getting. So I'm just using my ruler tape to measure it again to get my waistline, my hip line, please. That's my hip line. So after my hip line now, so we'll start with our measurement for the neck. So my neck that I'm giving out there is 4. To bring out the neck down, that the depth of my neck, so I'm giving it by 3. So it's 3 that I'm bringing down to get my depth line neck. So that is it now, and it's a V neck. So that is the V neck that I'm rolling. So we have gotten our neckline now. So after that now, what next is for us now to start the measurement again. So remember, since we are making it up shoulder, so I'm taking away from my tape rule. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm taking away from 5 to get my measurement. So that is my armhole measurement that I'm marking there now. What I marked there is 1.5. So on that line, that is where we get our bust measurement. So my bust measurement that I'm having there is 38, adding 1 inch on it for my sewing allowance, and that is my 1 inch that I'm pointing out. So come to the waistline, that is my half length line. That is where we get our waistline. My waistline there is 28, and that is 28 that I'm marking, adding 1 inch on it for my dots. After adding 1 inch, I will now add 1.5 for my sewing allowance, and that is 1.5 that I added on my waistline for the allowance for the sewing. So coming to my hip line now, so my hip measurement is what I'm marking there is 40, adding 1 inch on it for the sewing allowance. So that is my length now. So my length, remember the way I'm doing it is how you will do it. Just watch it the way I'm putting my tape rule, taking away from my tape rule to get my length. My length is 37, so that is the 37 there that I marked there now. So coming to the downside of it now, that is my hemline. So I'm marking 36, so that's my 36 to shape it out. So just roll it the way I'm doing it. Just watch every day that I'm doing and watch it to the end so that you can get everything the way it is and it comes out. So that's my armhole side that I'm marking there now. So that is my armhole to slant it. So that is the measurement now. So we're done with our measurement. Just for me now to connect from my bust to my waistline is what I'm doing there, connecting it together. And from my waistline to my hip line is what I'm also doing that, connecting it together. So we're done with the waist to the hip, from the hip now to the hemline side. So my hemline side is where I'm connecting, taking my ruler to roll it down to get my hemline side. So we're done with that. For us now to cut is to cut the neck. So it's a V-neck and it's a fitted body style that we are making with up shoulder. And as you can see, this how I'm cutting it. So just watch every detail please guys, and always watch my channel to the end. Watch it and give it a thumbs up. Share it to your friend please, so that they too can learn from it and do it on their own. So that's why we are showing you every detail that we are doing on this channel. Please always subscribe to my channel please, and watch my video down to the end so that this channel can grow, and that is the other way we can grow together please. So this is the front side of it now that we have cut. A fitted dress is what we are making with up shoulder. So it's up shoulder fitted dress that we are doing. So now is the back now that we will cut. So what I will do now, so I will just take away from this and lay the back side of it now so that we can cut it out. So this is the front that I'm using to lay at the back side and to cut out the back side now. So I'm laying it now, and to give the zipper allowance is what I'm also laying down there. So let me measure it for you to see. What I added at my zipper allowance is 1.5. So that is the 1.5 that you can see that I'm marking throughout to the length. So that is the 1.5 my zipper allowance. So please guys, just follow every detail that I'm doing on this video that I'm showing you, because I want you guys to do it on your own and wear it out, so that you can be confident of cutting your own. So it is good to watch this video and also learn how to cut it and wear it out please. So always subscribe to my channel please, and stay pleasing to do it. Watch my video to the end. So what I'm bringing now at my neckline there is also 3. So I want it to be 3 at the back side of it also, and it's a round neck, not V neck. Remember the front is V, that is what to mark there. That's why you can see me opening it, that is opening the front side to get our round neck for the back, and it's a round neck. So that's what I want to do now. So I want to cut that neck for the back. So it's, can you see how it is now? It's a round neck. So just follow every detail and please watch it to the end so that everything that I'm doing here will come out the way you see it and you do it on your own. And always watch it and share it to your friends please also, so that they too can learn from my channel and also grow together. So that is the essence of showing you everything that we are doing please. I know that you guys are really supportive to me, so always continue to do that. I appreciate you very well. So this is the cutting side of it now, that is the back side, using the front to cut it. And always comment to my channel also, give it a thumbs up. Everything that you put down there, I will also see it and reply you. So please watch my video to the end, subscribe And so after that now is the body now. So I've went to the machine to go and sew it on my next line. I've done it, I've ironed it. Even my doubt, I also sew it and I've iron it out. So this is what I'm just showing you how it is. So after that now, we just use the back to lay on it and go and stitch it together at the side. So I want to teach you guys how to join it. So even the neck of the back side, I've so stitch it and iron it out. And even the zipper, I've also joined my zipper that is sewing it. So I will show you how to go and join it now. So that's why I'm pointing it now. So it's up shoulder, remember it's up shoulder. So where we will start our journey is from the armhole. So I will go and join it from the armhole, the one side of it, and taking it to the other side of it. So I'll take it to the machine to go and do that, and that's what I'm showing you now for us to go and join. So now is the sleeve that we want to cut now. So I will cut the sleeve. So this is the fabric that we are using to make our sleeve. So this is the length. Just watch every day that I'm doing. Can you see what I want to do on it now? How to cut the sleeve. So that my cutting my neckline to get my shoulder is 4 that I marked there, and my length is 6 that I'm marking there now. So that is the 6 that I've marked. So I want to also show you how to get the armhole side. So the first one that I marked is the neckline side, that is the shoulder side. So that is the armhole side. What I marked there is 3.5. Coming to the round sleeve, and that is the round sleeve. My round sleeve is 12, that is 6. So can you see the joining now? So I want to connect it now. So that is the armhole side that I'm pointing out for you is 3.5 that I marked there. To connect it to the round sleeve is 6 that I marked there, that is 12. So now we've cut it. So we want to cut it now. So after cutting it, so also look at what I'm doing. I'm folding it for us to cut it and to get that cutting place to get it where I will fold. I will take it to the machine to go and sew out. That's why I'm folding it down, so that by the time I cut, it will appear. And let me also open it for you to see what I mean. So can you see where it is now? So it has showed where I will go and fold on my machine, and from there we'll just stitch to the armhole side.
Yes, hope you learned something new today on how to cut your off-shoulder sleeve. You saw the way we cut it, and that's how you are going to cut yours so that you'll be able to attach it to your main dress. So you will not have any issue when attaching it on your main dress. It's very beautiful style that we just made now. An off-shoulder fitted dress. You can see how beautiful it is. Don't forget we made use of crepe material. Please guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video now. Please do it now and subscribe. Please, you can also share this video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And guys, keep on watching my tutorials, please. Another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials to the end. Please watch this tutorial again so that you'll be able to learn how to cut it on your own. It's a beautiful style. You can see how the style came out. You can see how beautiful it is on my body. Very beautiful. I know after watching this tutorial you'll be able to cut yours. That's what I want to hear. Please, thank you for watching. I'll see you on Monday, guys.